Your question is, which of the following statement is correct regarding Article 368 of the Constitution of India? 1. Article 368 was amended by the 24th Constitution Amendment Act 1971. 2. Article 368 was amended by the 101st Constitution Amendment Act 2016. Quotes. Your options are A. 1 is true and 2 is false. B. 1 is false and 2 is true. C. Both 1 and 2 are true. Or D. Both 1 and 2 are false. Right answer is C. Both 1 and 2 are true. Article 368 was amended by the 24th Constitution Amendment Act 1971 and Article 368 was amended by the 101st Constitution Amendment Act 2016. Your question is, the President's power to veto a bill for amendment of the Constitution has been taken away by substituting the word shall give his assent by which amendment? Your options are A. 44th Amendment, B. 23rd Amendment, C. 24th Amendment, or D. 42nd Amendment. Right answer is C. 24th Amendment. Your question is, which one of the following bills must be passed by each house of the Indian Parliament separately by the special majority? Your options are A. Ordinary Bill, B. Money Bill, C. Finance Bill, or D. Constitution Amendment Bill. Right answer is D. Constitution Amendment Bill. Your question is, the Indian Constitution can be amended under the provisions of. Your options are A. Article 368, B. Article 360, C. Article 356, or D. Article 352. Right answer is A. Article 368. Your question is, which article of the Constitution of India lays down the procedure for the amendment of the Constitution? Your options are A. Article 348, B. Article 358, C. Article 368, or D. Article 378. Right answer is C. Article 368. Your question is, amendments to the Constitution may be initiated. Your options are A. Only in Lok Sabha, B. Only in Rajya Sabha, C. Only in state legislative assemblies, or D. Either house of the Parliament. Right answer is D. Either house of the Parliament. Your question is, a bill for the amendment in Indian Constitution can be presented. Your options are A. Only in Lok Sabha, B. Only in Rajya Sabha, C. Either in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, or D. in the Supreme Court of India. Right answer is C. Either in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Your question is, an amendment to the Constitution of India can be initiated by the 1. Lok Sabha, 2. Rajya Sabha, 3. State legislatures, 4. President. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Your options are A. 1 alone, B. 1, 2 and 3, C. 2, 3 and 4, or D. 1 and 2. Right answer is D. 1 and 2, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Your question is, according to the Indian Constitution, the constitutional amendment of the following topics requires consent of at least half of state legislatures. 1. Federal provision of the Constitution. 2. Rights of the Supreme Court. 3. The process of constitutional amendment. 4. Formation of new states or transformation in the borders and names of the states. Code. Your options are A. 1, 2, 3, B. 1 to 4, C. 1, 3, 4, or D. 2, 3, 4. Right answer is A. 1, 2, 3. Federal provision of the Constitution, rights of the Supreme Court, and the process of constitutional amendment. Your question is, which of the following are the matters on which a constitutional amendment is possible only with the ratification of the legislatures of not less than one half of the states? 1. Election of the President. 2. Representation of the states in Parliament. 3. Any of the list in the 7th schedule. 4. Abolition of the legislature council of a state. Your options are A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 1, 2 and 4, C. 1, 3 and 4, or D. 2, 3 and 4. Right answer is A. 1, 2 and 3. Election of the President, representation of the states in Parliament and any of the list in the 7th schedule.